All right, so you wanted to know more about this Kindle Unlimited.
Yeah, it's gotten pretty popular.
So we're taking a deep dive today.
That's right.
We've got Amazon's own promotional materials right here.
Yep, straight from the source.
We're going to try to get to the bottom of it, see if it's worth it.
Is it all hype, or is there something really there?
All right.
And is it something our listeners would be into?
Exactly. Let's jump in.
Okay.
So first off, they really emphasize that unlimited access thing.
Okay.
Over 4 million digital titles.
Wow, that's a lot.
Right. That's a whole lot of books.
It's really hard to even imagine how many books that is. That's bigger than most physical libraries.
Yeah, for sure.
And it kind of makes you wonder, like, are they really trying to just be like the place for digital reading?
Yeah. The only place you need to go.
Exactly.
And they're not just doing books, right?
Yeah.
They talk about bestsellers, popular series classics, and more.
That and more is interesting.
Yeah. What do you think's hiding in there?
Well, I think they're trying to signal that there's something for everyone.
Right.
So, like, you know, someone who loves the latest thriller could find something. But then also someone who's, like, really into, you know, historical biographies or something.
Yeah, more niche stuff.
Exactly. Right. So trying to appeal to a broad audience there.
And this is where I got really interested.
Okay.
Audiobooks.
Oh, yeah.
They're included.
Well, no,
not a separate subscription or anything.
Interesting.
Yeah.
That's a pretty big deal.
I thought so.
It makes it way more competitive. Like, they're not just going after other ebook platforms.
Yeah.
But also, like, audiobook services like Audible.
Right.
So that's pretty smart.
Yeah, and for our listeners, I know a lot of them like to, you know, listen on the go.
Right, exactly.
Learn while they're doing other things.
Oh, exactly.
So that could be a big selling point.
For sure.
And there's more.
Okay.
Magazine subscription.
What?
Yeah.
Wow, I did not expect that.
Me neither.
I wonder if that's to get people who maybe aren't, you know, huge readers.
Right.
But they like to just, like, flip through a magazine.
Yeah, more casual.
Yeah, exactly.
So I wonder what kind of magazines they've got.
Yeah, that's a good question.
All right, so they keep talking about these great on Kindle ebooks. Like, is there something special about the ebooks?
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
I think it's more than just marketing.
Okay.
They're really emphasizing that high-quality digital reading experience.
Right.
So, you know,
yeah,
it makes you think about features that are specifically for the Kindle.
Okay.
You know, adjustable font sizes, built-in dictionary, maybe even some special display technology.
Oh, interesting.
So it's not just reading a PDF on your phone.
Right.
They're really trying to make it a better experience.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And they keep talking about this seamless experience across all your devices. You know, they even have those pictures of people reading on a park bench or on the couch.
Yeah, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
So they're really trying to sell that, like, freedom and flexibility.
Exactly.
Because you can read anywhere. Yeah. Anytime you want.
Yeah, on any device.
Exactly.
It's very appealing.
Yeah, it seems like they've really thought about how people use their devices these days.
Absolutely.
Totally.
It really is. Like, they get how we actually use our devices now.
Right. Not just stuck in the past with how people used to read.
Yeah, exactly.
So they even say unlimited access on any device. So does that really mean, like, I could be reading on my phone on the train.
Exactly.
And then later pick up right where I left off on my tablet.
Exactly. That's the idea.
Wow.
It's all synced up.
So it's not just about what they have.
Yeah.
It's about how it fits into your life.
Right. How you actually live and read.
But, okay, here's what I'm thinking.
With millions of books.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be overwhelming?
That's a good point.
I mean, even at a regular bookstore, I get overwhelmed.
I know what you mean.
So many choices.
But I bet knowing Amazon, they're using some serious algorithms.
Right. They're good at that stuff.
So, like, those recommendations you get.
Yeah, when you buy stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I bet they're doing the same thing for books.
So it's personalized.
Yeah, based on what you've read before.
Okay.
And maybe even, like, what genres you're interested in.
So it's like having a curated library.
Kind of, yeah. They help you discover what you might like.
So it's not just a ton of books. It's like a guide.
Exactly. And you might find stuff you never would have seen otherwise.
Oh, interesting.
Like hidden gems, you know?
Okay.
Makes you want to branch out and try new genres, maybe.
You know, when we started this deep dive,
yeah,
I wanted to figure out, is it worth it?
Yeah.
And they're checking a lot of the boxes.
They really are.
Yeah. We've got the huge selection. Audiobooks are included, even magazines.
Is this a surprise?
Right, and they seem to care about the reading experience.
Yeah, making it really good.
So is this the perfect thing for everybody?
Well, that's the big question, isn't it?
Yeah.
It depends on the person.
Right.
What do you think so far?
I mean, I really like the audiobooks and magazines.
Yeah, those are really nice perks.
I like to listen when I'm walking or doing chores.
Right.
And not having a separate magazine subscription is great.
It does simplify things a lot.
And then the switching between devices is a big plus for me.
Makes sense.
But I can see how some people would miss a real book.
Oh, absolutely.
That feeling of holding it.
Yeah, there's nothing like it.
Turning the pages.
It's just different.
So it's convenient and has a ton of stuff.
Right.
But it won't replace paper for everyone.
Yeah, it's all about personal preference.
Okay, so finding what works best for you.
Right, and how you like to consume content these days.
But it's hard to deny that Kindle Unlimited seems like a good deal.
Especially if you're already using Amazon for a lot of things.
Yeah, that's true.
It just fits in.
So if someone out there likes to read a lot of different things, listens to audiobooks, wants to try out different magazines,
right,
this could be it.
It could change the game for them.
And even if you're not sure, there's a free trial.
Absolutely no risk.
Try it out.
See if you like it.
See if it fits your reading style.
If it makes reading better for you.
So we've gone over a lot.
We have.
The size of their library, all the different types of content, how they try to make reading better, and being able to read anywhere on any device.
We even talked about the downsides.
Yeah.
Like not having that real book experience.
But it's really up to you.
Yeah. In the end, you decide.
So as we wrap up, I want to ask you, what stood out the most to you about Kindle Unlimited?
Yeah, think about your own reading habits.
Yeah.
What do you like? What do you not like?
Would this fit into your life?
And could it help you learn something new?
Or just make reading more convenient and fun?
Okay. Those are the big questions.
Yeah.
I don't know about you, but I'm kind of feeling like I want to check this out.
Yeah, I'm intrigued.
Like maybe I'll find some new authors or even revisit some old favorites.
Yeah, in a new way.
Yeah, exactly.
I'm thinking about how it could fit into my life, you know?
Right.
Not just for fun reading, but for learning too.
Oh, yeah.
Like imagine all those nonfiction books.
Right at your fingertips.
Yeah, on any topic.
Exactly.
And then with the audiobooks,
oh, yeah,
I could learn while I'm like on a walk or at the gym.
Turn downtime into learning time.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a good way to put it.
It's like Kindle Unlimited is made for busy people.
I think so.
Who still want to learn. So whether you read a ton or you're more of a casual reader or you love magazines, it seems like there's something here for everyone.
It's worth looking into.
Yeah, for sure.
Whatever your style is, just keep exploring, you know?
Yeah.
Keep reading.
Read all the things.
Exactly. And maybe your next favorite book.
Yeah.
Is waiting on Kindle Unlimited.
That's all for today.
Thanks for joining us.
Happy reading, everyone. It's been